everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review video in which I'm going to show you guys all the products sent to me by mymakeupbrushset.com. I'm going to put the link below if you guys want to buy your ones from mymakeupbrushset.com. And without any further ado, let's get into the review video. So I have one small product to show you guys, which is the lipstick, which is a liquid lipstick which dries to matte, and it says it's a long lasting lip gloss, and it's the name Danimer by mymakeupbrushset.com. And as such, the shade is not given, but the number of it is given, which says number 14, and I will swatch it for you guys. And this is how it looks. It's kind of peachish orange or something like that, and it has a metal effect to it. So if you want to carry something little nude but little shiny, you can carry this color because it does not have as much color as much it appears here. It is very sheer and very nice, shiny, but it will dry to matte and not be glossy. So these are the qualities of the particular lipstick. And now we'll move on to the makeup brushes. So the next product is the makeup brushes. It comes in such leather case. I have got this in pink color because the brushes what I selected were in the shade Tulip, and this has 24 makeup brushes in it, and it will be something like this. So these are the brushes. All the different kinds of brushes comes in this. Well, some of the brushes are looking used because I have made a video using these brushes, so these brushes might look yellow and some colorful and all. And secondly, you can use these brushes for all various eye makeup, face makeup, be it some kind of precision or you want to highlight. I'm going to talk about few brushes so you guys can get a good idea of how to use a particular makeup brush. So this big fan brush, this is used to remove the excess powder what you have done for baking or something. Now the quality of these brushes are, these are also duo fiber ones, and it is very soft and very good. You will feel very good when you apply makeup with this. It's very soft and you feel like you're pampering your skin. So this particular brush is for that. Talking about the face brushes, you can use these 4 brushes for maybe buffing or baking or maybe you want to just set your powder or something. You can use all this. For contouring, you have an angle brush, like all different sizes comes in this. Then comes the foundation brush. You can apply a foundation or any kind of a creamy concealer with this. And then there are some more makeup brushes like these ones, what you can use for contouring or maybe for eyeshadow or for blending and all. Again, there are more, these 4 brushes. Now as such, there is no specific use for a specific brush. You can use it according to your own convenience. If you want to apply a concealer or maybe if you want to use for an eyeshadow, like it's the size may vary very little, but then these you can use for concealing and all, or maybe even if you want to apply an eyeshadow base or something, you can use those brushes. Then comes the next 6 brushes. This you can use to apply your eyeshadow in the inner corners or so. This is a flat brush what you can use to define your eyes below the eyes if you want to apply somewhere here below. Then comes this angular brush. This is a very good brush if you want to apply an eyeliner or something. It's very thin and very precise. Then comes this definer brush. If you want to have some particular color, if you want to apply it dark in the contouring or so, you can use this flat brush. Then comes one more thin definer brush, which is this one, and the last brush from those 6 brushes are this for mascara, or maybe if you want to set your eyebrows or something, then you can use this one. And coming up to the last 5 brushes, those are the thin eyeliner brush. If someone is not comfortable with an angled eyeliner brush, they can use this thin one. Then comes this fan brush. This you can use to apply a highlighter or so. Even this is very good. I have used all these brushes in the video. You can have a look in the description box below. This is to comb your eyebrow hair or set them in their place. You can use this particular brush. And there's one more eyeshadow brush which is thin and all, and one more quality of this particular brush, you can use it to apply lipstick as well, and I have used it to apply an eyeshadow. And the last one is the smudger brush. This particular brush you can use if you want to smudge your eyeshadow for a smoky eye look or somewhere, if you want to smudge it below, or even if you want to smudge your eyeliner to get that smudged eyeliner look, you can use this particular brush. So the 24 brush set is very useful if you guys are looking out to get all the different kind of brushes but in a package, then this ones are amazing. And as I said, you can have a look. Even I have used these brushes to create a makeup look, the Diwali makeup look I have created with this one. And now we'll be moving on to the next makeup brush set. The next set of brushes came in this small bag which says my makeup brush set. Well, one thing I would like to suggest these brand people, that if they would have given some kind of a leather case, or not even a leather case but any kind of a case to keep the brushes, it would be good, so that our brushes don't get damaged and it becomes good to use as well. And these are the brushes. These are the brushes which are spoon shaped, which are very famous nowadays. You guys have seen so many people reviewing, all different brands have started getting their own kind of spoon brushes. So I'm going to speak a little detail about it. Also, I'm going to do a makeup tutorial with these brushes as well. So stay connected if you've not already subscribed. So these are 10 brushes, and there are 4 big brushes which you can use for any kind of a base. If you want to set your foundation, blend your foundation, concealers, or you want to use a dry powder or maybe a studio fix, compact, anything, you can use all these brushes. These are the spoon brushes, very good to hold. The color of it is also very good. It's rose gold and it's just very soft to use on the skin. It does not hurt at all, and I am yet to do a tutorial with this, and which is why these are still as new. And so these come in 4 different sizes, sorry, not 4 but 5 different sizes. According to your convenience, you can use however you want to use these brushes. And the next 5 brushes are of different shapes. So these particular 3 brushes are the thin ones. Usually I've seen people using this particular brush, this one, for contouring, face contouring or so. If you want to blend all your face contour, you can use this one. Then the other 2 brushes, those are also very thin, and for any precision eye makeup you can use these 2. I've seen someone even using this for an eyeliner. I'm going to try it as well. They use such a thin brush to create a very perfect and winged eyeliner. And you can also do cut crease and eyeshadows with this. And when it comes to filling the inner corners and all, or if you want to apply a lipstick, and then you can use these round ones. Both are round, only the thing is the sizes are very little bit here and there different. Like this is more big circle and this is flat, and this is a small circle, but this is little dome shaped or so. So now once I use, I can tell you that how efficient these brushes are to do a face makeup. And these are very appealing, very light, very soft. So amazing brushes. I liked it, but the only problem is that they don't have given a good brush, you can say brush pouch or something, where you can keep your brushes very nicely. Now the chances are, if I keep this in a bag and if I travel somewhere and if I keep something very heavy, it might break, because these brushes are delicate enough, so we have to be careful while we carry all these brushes and all. So now I have my own personal brush case in which I'm going to arrange these ones. So this is all about my makeup brush set. So I hope you guys like the makeup brushes and the review video, and more videos are coming. Please don't forget to subscribe and please like the video.